In an old, quiet neighborhood lived a mother, Zahra, and her little son, Haris. Life was simple, but filled with a mother's love.
After her husband passed away, Zahra worked day and night, stitching, cleaning, doing every possible job just to keep her son smiling. But as Haris grew older, the distance between them also grew. He spent more time outside and less time with the one who loved him the most.
One day, Haris shouted in anger, "Mom, stop interfering! I'm not a child anymore!" Zahra's heart broke, but she stayed silent.
That night, she wrote a letter full of love and words she never had the courage to say.
A few days later, Zahra suddenly fell ill. At the hospital, Haris realized how long it had been since he had simply said, "Mom, I love you."
Her breathing slowed. Haris held her hand tightly. She smiled softly and whispered, "I know, my child." And then she left forever.
Back home, Haris found a folded letter in her old box. With shaking hands, he read the last words filled with a mother's love, apologies, and prayers.
Haris hugged his mother's picture and cried. For the first time, he realized she had given everything, and he had understood too late.
For more emotional stories, motivational quotes, and Islamic reminders, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.